battling Slender Man.
I'm scared.
She is too, Nick.
Hopefully I don't like it.
I don't know anything.
There's a card.
She got her first page.
He's right there. He's right there.
Oh my god!
There.
Where?
Run! Run, lady. Run.
You missed it. Seriously, we saw him just standing there. That was frightening.
Oh,
God, Slender Man.
God.
It's like he...
around.
What?
Turn around.
No! God. I'm
Walk
not
right
ready.
into him. I want to see you end game. How do you end the game?
You have to collect all the letters.
See who's behind you.
No, he's like really far away if he's behind me, so. Fudge. Where am I? I'm stuck. I'm lost. I really don't know where I am. What is that sound? I don't like it.
I know.
He could be running like right there. Where am I going? I'm like trapped. Because there's like a gate thing. There's like a fence over there. What do I do? Is that a letter? Do I see a letter? No, I don't see a letter. God. What am I doing? What is that sound? I seriously freaking hate it. It's like, I guess we're going this way. Is that a place? There's a place. I'm going it. Oh, I saw PewDiePie. He went in this place. Oh, there's the letter.
Oh, it's going to end up right behind you.
What does it say? What does it say? Always watches, no eyes.
What?
The guy, Slender, he always watches, but he has no
Oh, he's
eyes.
not there.
Oh, my fudge. Is he out here? Oh, is that him?
I'm really scared.
Crap, whenever PewDiePie played this, like, he was right there. God, I gotta watch PewDiePie footage. Where am I gonna go? I really don't know. I don't know. I don't know if it's water or anything. Or is it him? What? Or is it him? It's not him. I'm pretty sure.
He could be walking like stomping.
What is that freaking noise? It's like
Heartbeat. What's her walking to?
Maybe it's your heartbeat.
That's what I just said.
That's what I was thinking.
I don't think it's
After
a
you said
heartbeat. It started not too long ago. Is that him?